Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry, and today we are making mac and cheese. Make sure you subscribe and check the description box below because that's where the recipe will be. I have a box of jumbo mac and cheese, some butter, heavy cream, milk, velvieeta, Parmesan, a tin foil pan, some creamy melt mozzarella, creamy melt cheddar, and some creamy melt Colby jack. So we're going to boil the water and then add the noodles, and they take about 14 minutes to cook, so just put them in the pan when they're done. You're going to add some butter to a pan, a spoon of butter, and then a spoon of flour, and you're going to whisk it together to make a roux. This is going to be the base for your cheese sauce. Then you're going to add the heavy cream to that, and then you're going to add some milk to that, and you're just going to whisk it around and put this on medium until the milk and cream start to thicken up. Once it does, we're going to add some velvieeta cheese first, and then we're going to whisk it. This helps it stay creamy. After it's all whisked together, we're going to start to add the other cheeses. So we're just going to add them one by one. And you're not adding the whole bag, just half of each bag. And then you're going to whisk everything around. Make sure your heat is on low so you don't scald the pan. And you'll know it's done when all the cheese is incorporated. It should have a stretch or a pull to it as well because of the mozzarella cheese. So after your cheese sauce is done, you're just gonna pour it over top of your noodles. Then you're just gonna mix everything around together. And then I added some parsley and salt and pepper. I like to season my mac and cheese after the cheese sauce is done, just to make sure I don't add too much salt. But you're going to incorporate all of that together. And then you're going to add some cheese on top. And you're going to bake it in the oven on 350 for a total of 40 minutes until the cheese is all golden brown and delicious on top. And I just added the Parmesan cheese on top. You don't have to do that. And I just leave it on there to melt because it's still hot. You can put it back in the oven and let it get crispy. But that is the end. Make sure you guys subscribe and leave me some comments down below. And I will see you guys in the next video.